are HERBIE. We're a group of business engineers looking to provide the market with alternatives for a sustainable future. Our project group explores the possibilities for better farming. It is our belief that with our initiatives we support the way that mankind handles his environment. Our endeavors should find a greener way to cultivate crops so a healthy future is secured. This presentation is given with the goal of delivering a founded advice towards investors. We therefore present the opportunities that arise on technical, economical and environmental grounds. Our project is called Project HERBIE. The research on this subject is going to reveal improvement opportunities for economical and sustainable crop cultivation. Nowadays, large machines run through our fields. These machines are operated manually and damage our soil and crops. We see massive use of chemicals for weed control. This results in we wonder if this could be done differently. We foresee an important role for robotics in the field of agriculture. HERBIE is a robot that differentiates from the competition by using state-of-the-art functional elements. By entering the market now, we're taking the lead in this new and very promising field of robotics. Now that I've given you the introduction, let me show you the concept.
For navigation along the crop rows, an autonomous robotic platform is used. This robot can pass over visible rows in several set areas. It uses vision-guided row detection in combination with GPS. The weed module can be replaced by modules for other applications like lawn mowing, seeding or used as a scarecrow. Crops are typically grown in straight rows. Weeding between these rows can be done without too much of a hassle. The more challenging weeds are located within the rows. These weeds account for 20% yield loss when left untreated. Most of this weeding is still done by hand, mainly because weed detection technology is still far from accurate or really slow. HERBIE uses an active detection system using biodegradable RFID chips. Beneficial crops are tagged when they are seeded. During weed control, every untagged plant can be eliminated. The most effective eco-friendly option is mechanical hoeing. It is effective above and below the surface. Considering the roots of weeds like creeping thistle and couch grass, this is vital for effective weed treatment. Furthermore, mechanical hoeing is more accurate compared to other techniques. It therefore minimizes the damage to valuable crops.
Summarizing, HERBIE has no negative impact on the environment. HERBIE is autonomous. HERBIE detects valuable crops. And finally, HERBIE gets rid of all weeds mechanically. We looked at the microenvironment to plan for the future and make good decisions. Currently, political climate is changing. The issue of CO2 emissions is alarming, but the use of pesticides in agriculture is equally dangerous for our well-being. Another trend we see is that consumers are increasingly aware of the possibilities to contribute to a sustainable planet. One of the effects which can be identified here is the growth of the choice for ecological food. This excludes the use of pesticides. We've also noticed the recovery of the economy from its crisis, which means that farmers are again willing to invest in new and more cost-efficient farming technology. Let us take a look at the financial analysis.
In order to build HERBIE, several components are required. A robotic platform, a GPS package, RFID readers and a hoeing mechanism. Besides these components, there are costs associated with assembly and transportation. In total, the estimated cost price of HERBIE is almost 39,000. The focus market consists of about 9,500 arable farmers. According to our marketing experts, it is feasible to target 4,500 farmers who have the potential to buy HERBIE. Sales of the first 3 years are estimated at 1,200 units. When compared to the cost of the use of herbicides, HERBIE is allowed to have a selling price of 51,500 euros. When the investments, revenues and cost prices are combined, a positive net present value of 2 million euros is calculated over a 4-year time span.
HERBIE takes a huge step towards the elimination of herbicide use, while still controlling weed growth in the fields. The project is economically independent and sustainable. HERBIE is an economically attractive product that is going to be at least less expensive than herbicide use. HERBIE has the technical characteristics to make it a autonomously operating, powerful product. Thank you very much for your attention, and we hope to see you soon.
Come on and dance with me.